Hi guys, happy new year and welcome back. Thank you for all the love last year, and I hope I continue to get the support that I got last year in 2018. Today is another Bath & Body Works haul. It's a combination of stuff I bought from in stores and online, and it killed me buying it in store because I had to carry a lot of stuff and my hand hurt for days, and you're gonna know what I'm talking about when I start showing you everything. So if you want to know what I got, just keep on watching. I'm sorry, for some reason the lighting is trying to play me. I don't want to use my lights, so I'm just using my patio light, and it's just weird at different angles, so don't look at my face. It's gonna keep looking weird because of the stupid lighting, but just to focus on the products, thank you for understanding. First, I'll talk about the other stuff apart from the 23 things that I bought, so just stay tuned for what that stuff is. And let me just start with some shower gels. So first, I'm gonna talk about my all-time favorite scent, and I'm so happy that I got it in a shower gel, and it is Winter Candy Apple. Next I have is Paris Amour, and this is one of their retired scents. It smells so just like love. Then I also have Frosted Coconut Snowball. I know I have a bunch of wintry scents. So here is that. I love how cute everything is. And right now their semi-annual sale is going on, so I suggest grab these items while they're like $3, $4, $5 instead of like 15 or 13, however much that stuff is. This one is Champagne Toast. Look at how good this looks. And it smells so champagne-y and so good. It's like you spray a champagne bottle all over your body. And I also have Mango Mandarin. It looks like this. I can't wait to use these in the summer and springtime. And I think this is the last one, and this is like my favorite drink of all time, and it exists in a shower gel. Georgia Peach and Sweet Tea. Peaches and tea, and so good. This one was on sale, but it was like $7, but I decided to buy it because I love this. The semi-annual sale, some of the items are 75% off, some are 50%, and then some are just regular price. And then some things I typically won't buy because I'm not into, but they had my favorite scents and lotions, so I decided to get it. And this is Winter Candy Apple in this kind of body lotion that they carry. I also have a Winter Candy Apple Ultra Sheer Body Cream. This comes like this, and I love the little candy apple right there. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I love this. So Christmassy and so nice. So yeah, I have this as well. And then I also got one which is Velvet Sugar, and it's so good. I'm scared buying things online, especially from Bath & Body Works, because I don't know how it's gonna smell. If it doesn't smell good, I could always return it and stuff, but I just guessed. So these are like $13 retail priced, but with the sale they were like $3, $4, super cheap. And plus I used some coupon codes. And I also have one for you guys in case someone wants to use it. It has their semi-annual sale on here. And then I have a 20% off online code, which I won't use because I need to stop buying. So take a screenshot, do whatever, and please use that if anybody wants to use it. Here are some of the rules. This ends, I believe, like into the third week of January, so you guys have a lot of time, like 2 weeks to get it. You could get things in the store, online, but this is only an online code, so remember that. And yeah, they have a lot of coupons as well. I suggest sign up for their mailing list and you'll get emails every single day. I love waking up to emails. Please go check it out if you're looking for nice lotions, shower gels, anything basically body-ish. And also, I've been meaning to try out their body scrubs, so I decided to get one. And can you all guess what it's gonna be? Of course, it had to be Winter Candy Apple. So these like are retail for $16.50. That's a high price, but I got this for I think $6 something, so I'm happy. And of course, I'm gonna stop smelling everything because it's a waste of my time and I already know how it smells like, and it's all I can describe it to you guys. So yeah, this is nice and I can't wait to use this. The one body mist I got, and it is pink jasmine and strawberry. It looks like this. It smells so good. It reminds me of my favorite scent ever, and it's called Dark Kiss. And I'm glad I just randomly decided to choose this one and I got it. And these are $14.50 on here. That's a high ass price. But I got these for like $4. And now to the 23, and I'm pretty sure it's 23 if I'm less or more of a number. Sorry, forgive me, but I have 23 hand soaps I got. Some of them are the same, some of them are different, and they were $3 each, and that's pretty good. And I also got a bundle as well. So first I got 2 of this Peach Bellini Creamy Luxe hand soaps, and it's my first time buying the Luxe ones, and right now one of these is in use by my boyfriend because he loves Peach Bellini. And also I decided to get Winter Candy Apple, and I have 3 of these. I wasn't lying, I have 3 of these, and it's like a Bath and Body Works store in my apartment right now, so if anybody wants to buy things, come on over. This Black Cherry Merlot, and I've tried this before and it just smells so good. I love how black cherry smells like, and I love this color for some reason. And this is their gentle foaming soaps. When you're about to wash your hands, it's just foam that comes out. And this one is the same formula, and it's warm vanilla sugar. I have a body mist. I love the way warm vanilla sugar smells. I've like used it ever since I was young. Like I used to get those lotion and shower gel packs with like a little spray and stuff. And also in the Creamy Luxe hand soaps, I decided to get Vanilla Bean Noel. It's like a vanilla smell, and it's so strong, and it's fresh vanilla, warm caramel, and sugar cookies, so it's like so winter. I have Peach Prosecco. I bought 2. One I gave to someone as a Christmas gift. That smells like alcoholic peach drink. I don't know, something like that. And then I have Beautiful Day, and I love this color. I know it looks like Windex. It just smells like summery, and I miss the summer so much. Can't wait to wear cute outfits and smell like these summery scents. Sun-Kissed Apple, Sparkling Casey's, and Wild Daisies. So just imagine how good that might smell. And then I decided to get Watermelon Lemonade in the gentle foaming formula and the deep cleansing one. I couldn't find a lot of these in deep cleansing, but I love the deep cleansing ones. I got 2 of this and then just 1 of this, and I might return one for something else because I thought it was gonna smell much more fresh and nice, but it's okay. Like I haven't used these yet. Hopefully it works good. And then switching back to winter scents, I have Frosted Cranberry. It says Camper's Gonna Camp. I love these designs, by the way, on these bottles. I might keep some of these and put like makeup brushes or something in it. And this is Frosted Cranberry, Red Delicious Apple, and Blonde Wood. And then I have Winter Candy Apple as the foaming formula. How cute and pink this is. OMG, I hate pink, but this is so cute. Next I have is this honey hand soap. I think these are new. It's a nourishing hand soap with honey butter and golden pear, and they have like different ones. I decided to get pear because I love the smell, but these are like very different from like regular ones. Let me see if there's any difference. So this is 8 fluid ounces, and then these are 8.75 for the gentle foaming. 8 for these ones, the Luxe ones. So it's about the same as the Luxe, and kind of looks in there too, don't you think? So I decided to try one of these, and I don't know, I like this combination a lot. And it's actually fresh apricot, warm amber, and champagne pear. And yeah, these are $7.50 compared to these, which is $6.50, so like $1 difference, but all these were $3. Now I'm gonna talk about the pack of 6 that I got, and these are the Halloween ones. And I don't know, my boyfriend's obsessed with horror and Halloween stuff, so I'm like, hey, I'm gonna get you a Bath and Body Works Halloween pack, but we could both use it, and he might do a video on his channel about it. Hand soaps and horror, sounds nice. So Vampire Blood, which is red berries, night blooming jasmine, and dark plum. Next is Ghoul Friend, and I love the detailing on these. Like you can see the little sparkles. And this is dark strawberries, ghostly peonies, and spine chilling citrus. I love the names. I wish I worked for them, like not in a store, but like the person who gets to design these and gets to come up with the names and the colors and everything. I'm so obsessed. Like maybe I should apply for a job over there. And then this is Spooktacular. This one, it smells so manly. It's chilly midnight air, dark lavender, and ghostly black pepper. It's too strong for me, but my boyfriend liked it, so I'm gonna keep this for him. And then a few more. This one is a perfect pumpkin, and it has a little cat on it, just like my little cat. And this one is Carved Pumpkin, Spooky Cinnamon, and Midnight Vanilla. And then this one is Better Have My Candy, and it's Eerie Pear, Sinful Cinnamon, and Haunted Apple. Like a little spider witch right here going across. Trick or Treat, which looks like this, has a little skull hand, is Wicked Lime, Frightful Apple, and Screaming Nectarine. That sounds like a nice ass, I don't know, smell. Like, I like it. So I got all 6 of them for $15, which is really good considering these are like, I don't know, Halloween special ones because they have nice things. I might keep these at the end, just give them to my boyfriend to put, like, I don't know, his pens or something in here. But yeah, these are nice, and these are also $6.50. That was all I got. I know it's a lot of stuff. I have a lot more stuff. I have like 1 more box and 2 bags full of stuff, and I also have this big ass box. I'm not gonna show it because it has a lot of stuff in it and I cannot carry that shit. Like, I don't know, whoever dropped it off at my door, thank you very much for using your strength, making sure my box was okay, and thank you. I'm sorry, it's so much stuff in there, but I just had to get it. And everything, well, mostly like most of the hand soaps I bought online, but like around 10 of them I bought in the store, and I had to carry it, and it was death to me. I thought my hand was gonna fall off. But all the other stuff, like the shower gels, the creams, the mist, everything was online. It was around like $89, which is not bad compared to all the sale price and stuff that I got. Pretty sure I saved a bunch with all this. So I love their semi-annual sale. They have it twice a year. One is like December, January, and the other one's I think May, June. So keep an eye out for those. Sometimes they would have like the buy 3 get 3 free, but this is even better than that, because with that you end up spending like $40, but this is, you get like 3 things for under $10. And I'll leave a link down below to shop online, and after this video they better have me as one of their like persons, and I better come up with my own collaboration with them. I think I deserve it. So sorry for showing you all this, and if you had fun, leave a comment down below. Tell me what's your favorite scent from Bath & Body Works, or what you obsess about. This is what my obsession is, all these different scents. I just love wintry, especially winter candy apple is my life. I love summery scents. I love sweet, soft, smooth scents, and like a bunch of fruity scents. And I hope you have an amazing 2018, and I'll see you guys in my next few videos, which I'll be doing about Ipsy and BoxyCharm. Stay tuned for those. And yeah, we're gonna go back to makeup. But if you found my video because you were looking for Bath & Body Works hauls and stuff, hi, my name is Chance, and I like makeup. I love makeup actually, and sometimes I like body care too. Sometimes. Bye, you guys.